If you're tired of slow charging times, the QC3 Zero Fast Charging Plug is designed to power up your Samsung Galaxy, LG, or Motorola device quickly and safely. This charger supports a wide range of models, including the Galaxy S22 series, Note 20 Ultra, Z Flip, and more, ensuring compatibility with many of today's popular phones. What sets this charger apart is its Quick Charge 3.0 technology, which can charge your device from 0 to 80% in about 35 minutes. That's up to 4 times faster than a standard charger, saving you valuable time whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Safety is a top priority here. The 18W USB power adapter meets FCC certification and complies with safety standards like 60951. Built with fireproof PC material and smart IC technology, it automatically stops charging when your device reaches full power. It also protects against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging, giving you peace of mind every time you plug in. The design is as practical as it is durable. Its bright, robust exterior resists wear and scratches, while premium internal components keep it running perfectly, even if it gets bumped or dropped. Compact and lightweight, this charger won't hog your outlet space and fits easily in any bag or pocket. Included are two 6-foot USB-C cables built to last with reinforced joints, aluminum housing, and high-purity copper wire. The nylon braided design prevents tangling and withstands over 10,000 bends, so you get flexibility and durability in one package. Use one cable to set up a charging station and keep the other handy in your car or office. Customers across the U.S. appreciate how well this charger performs. One user highlights the braided cable's strength and how it fits perfectly into their daily routine, powering devices reliably without fuss. This kind of positive feedback speaks to the product's quality and convenience. If you want a fast, safe, and durable charging solution that works with a broad range of devices, this QC3 Zero charger with dual USB-C cables is worth a look. It simplifies your charging needs while protecting your devices and your time. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. Whether you need quick power at home or reliable juice on the road, this charger delivers consistent, efficient performance without compromise.